Hi, welcome to Project Vaultify. Vaultify is a product that I created to help Web3 projects manage their tokens. This helps to bring better transparency and accountability within the Web3 ecosystem. I do not see any other products like this on Aptos, which is why I've decided to build it. Without further ado, this is how the product works. So when you go to this link, this will be the page that you see. There's this token address and an input field. I can choose to search for any other token address, and it should display the tokens which have been locked up by this particular smart contract. Over here, you can see the graph of the token emissions over time. So currently it caps out to about 16,000. And this is the table version of the graph. You can see who's able to claim those tokens, what's the cliff date and time, how long are the tokens vested for, how often the tokens can be claimed, and what's the allocation of the tokens being assigned to that particular address. So in this case, it's 1,000 for this address. I can show you by searching another token. This was another token that I created, so the graph should update immediately. So over here is like a linear emission from 19th of September all the way until for 3 months to about December, and the allocation is 3,000. So let me just switch back to the earlier address. Yep, and the graph updates. Oh, so let me just connect my wallet and I'll show you how to do a token lock. So when I connect wallet, I can choose to connect with Google, Pontem, or Petra. Let me just go with Petra. So if I press on the lock, it should take me to a page where I can create a token lock. So let me first key in the token address. This is the address of the token which I want to lock up. The amount, I think I'll put in about 5,000. The cliff timestamp, let me just set it to an earlier date so that I can demonstrate the claiming process. I think I'll just set it to 1st of August. Say about 4:15 p.m. I'll set the vesting duration to be, say, about 6 months. Periodicity to be daily. And let me just choose a claimant address. So this is the address that will receive the tokens. Let me copy one of the addresses that I have and create a token lock. So it pops up a confirmation message. I just need to approve it. Yep, and it says token transaction successful. So if I go back to the token locks page, I should see, yeah, there's this additional curve, and this leads to a huge token emissions. You see the purple curve? Yeah, and it should be reflected all the way at the bottom. Yeah, 5,000 tokens for 6 months at 1st of August. Cool. So let me show you how I can claim those tokens. If I go to my token locks, let me change my account to the address which can claim it. Yep, and here we are. So these are all the token locks that I have. These entries are some of the ones that I created during testing. The most recent one should appear at the bottom, which is on 1st of August at 4:15 p.m. for 6 months and 5,000. So notice here that I've got 5,000 as the initial allocation. If I press claim, just confirm it. So it says that I will receive 1,679 tokens. Let me just approve. Yep, and so the transaction is successful. Yep, so if I do a refresh, you can see that the balance of the tokens left has decreased. And I can proceed to claim for other token locks as well. So if the tokens have not passed the cliff date, then the transaction should not go through. Or you have already claimed for that certain period, then the transaction would fail as well. So if you go to the Aptos Explorer and go to your account, you should see the transactions. So over here, I make a token lock claim. Yeah, and you can see that I've plus 1,679 undying CD tokens. If you go to the Aptos Explorer, this is the account which I used to create the smart contracts and the token blocks. Yeah, you can check it out if you want to. Yeah, so feel free to play around with this platform. This product works with any token which uses the Aptos fungible asset standard. So anyone is able to use this product to lock up their tokens. I think this is especially useful when projects are searching for VCs and you want to ensure that the token lockups are being adhered to. Thank you.